Courtney Wilson here again, and tonight I'm going to be talking about obstructions in the body. So I have a bottle right here. It's empty. It's some juice that I drank early in the day. And then I have this honey mustard sauce. So obstruction would be kind of like taking this honey mustard packet and it's not going to fit directly in the bottle. But if I squeeze it some, I can somewhat get it in the bottle, but it's not fully going in. So it's like partially in the bottle. So it's pretty much what an obstruction is blocking something or is blocking a path or access towards something. So certain foods that we eat, they can obstruct the body and produce mucus, and can be toxic inside of the body, and they can block cells from getting nutrition. So just like certain sugary foods or fat foods or acidic foods, they can make your body acidic and that can cause inflammation and a couple other things. But also with the obstructions, you can eat certain foods like sugary foods, and over time they can build plaque up in the body, and that can cause heart attacks or other issues or strokes possibly. So if you know the foods to avoid and not to eat, then you can cut down the chances of having obstructions, because like meat and other foods that are tougher to break down, depending on how often we eat them and what we eat, they can obstruct the body, just like this example right here with the bottle. Fruits and lighter foods are easier to break down. If I can remember, I think fruit majority or some fruits or the majority, it takes like 10 minutes to break down because they're more simpler to, so you could say, and it's easier for them to break down. A lot of them have high water content, and I think it takes about 10 minutes for it to break down. So just be aware that foods that can cause mucus and cause obstructions, like meat and grains to a point, are harder to break down, can possibly cause obstructions, just like this bottle I'm showing you. So thank you and bye.